Daytime Live. We are so happy to have our friend on the show. My friend especially. Model, speaker, coach, and of course founder of the Walker Camp, Miss Stacey McKenzie.
You see, if you and Stacey were friends like how we're friends, you know that it's not just model, it's not just speaker, not just coach, it's just a whole bunch of other stuff. But
like what?
Just continue.
Oh, you see, because we're best friends.
We no fight. We no tone. Please, me I beg you no fight. So I come up on the show. I have the tone to interview me.
Let's get into it because we're just here and chit chat until the show ends. I would have a lot of time.
No, bro.
Kick it off. The Walk Camp.
Yes.
What is it about? When did it start? How many persons are here? Are part of the camp this year?
So the Walk Camp, it started when, I come from a certain type of neighborhood. From here in Jamaica up and in foreign. I come from a certain type of neighborhood where we didn't have the opportunities to get to meet certain types of people and learn from certain types of people. So I said to myself, if I have the opportunity to do that at some point in my career, I'm going to create something to give back to the youths, them, especially girls, because I'm a girl. Yeah. So I know what it feels like, and and it would be more relatable if I do girls, right?
Yeah.
And give back to the girls where they get to meet and learn from mentors, including myself and others within their respective fields. So they get to hear their stories, and then they also get to be taught and taught how to get into their industries or how to go about getting their industries. Yeah. And not only that, but also they get to learn life lessons, on how to deal with certain circumstances in life, how to deal with mental health, how to deal with their taking care of themselves mentally, physically, spiritually. So it was very important for me to create something like this because it was well needed, especially coming from the communities that I come from.
Right.
I see the need for it within our communities, and I notice as well too that they're not really getting any help.
Right.
Yeah. So I was like, yeah, man, method to this. Yeah.
And like you said, it's really hard. Sometimes it's hard being a young woman.
Yes, it is.
Trying to navigate life in a particular kind of way.
Right.
So for you, coming from the neighborhoods that you said you've come from, both Yard and Afarin, what would you say is the most rewarding thing for both yourself and your mentors about the camp?
Okay, don't let me tear up. But
tear up, bro. We don't mind.
It's giving back. It's really giving back. I mean, to be able to be blessed with the opportunities that I've been blessed with in my life, for my mentors to be blessed with the opportunities that they've been blessed with in their life, I don't believe that is for us to keep for self. I do strongly believe that the Most High God bless us with these opportunities for also us to help others along their journey as well. So for me, it's very fulfilling. Like when I see my girls.
Oh, Stacey.
There's girls that's been in the camp from day one, and I'm watching them grow.
How many years have you been in the camp?
So in Jamaica, it's been 4 years. I've been trying to do it for a while now, but things it was very rough. But it's been 4 years, and in Canada, it's been 8 years.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's hear from some of the campers. Some of the campers. All right. So the microphone has stopped to someone. Tell us your name. The microphone is on.
You're good. We got
so let's tell us your name and tell us a little bit about your experience at the camp. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead.
It's okay. Just go, baby girl.
Okay, my name is Sabia.
All right. So we're going to turn the microphone on and ensure that you are...
Yeah. Try one more time. Tell us your name again.
Okay, my name is Tavia,
right.
And I've been in the camp from day one, as Auntie Stacey said. For me, I have learned so much from all the mentors that I have.
One thing I've learned.
Okay. Yesterday, I've learned about saving, how important it is, and it has inspired me a lot. So for me to start saving, etc., etc.
What's your name?
My name is Tabia.
Tabia, yeah. You said that earlier. Thank you, Tabia. Nobody's rude. Lots of us don't know about saving. Let's pass the mic along. Let's talk to somebody.
If I started saving.
All right, right?
Hello, my name is Dariana Chaito. What I've learned from the Walk Camp is that we, personally as girls, should believe in ourselves and keep ourselves strong in order to give back the same thing that my supermodel Auntie Stacey has taught us to other people so they can experience it and
Beautiful.
be happy.
Beautiful.
Like that. Yeah, man. You can't cry no, Stacey. You can't cry.
You can't cry, no, that is well. Okay, so Stacey, we hear that you have a brand new campaign in Canada.
Yeah.
Oh, girl, tell us about that.
Oh, it's coming out. So my new campaign coming out is with Reitmans. Reitmans is one of the most, one of the biggest prestigious clothing brand in Canada. It's been around for 100 years. Ooh. So this year they've chose me and another model, actually, F. Saval, who is actually Jean-Paul Gaultier's muse, to be the face of the new campaign. So it's truly a blessing because it's like I've been doing this for so long.
Wow.
And to still be blessed with the opportunities for getting modeling work and doing what I love. And also not only that, but also being able to be able to do my camp, be able to work with the girls, my girls. It's truly a blessing, and I'm just like, I'm so excited and so happy.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Nisha's like, Nisha's like wondering if both of you are the same size, She's like, Stacey, what's up, brother?
So I'm not getting between the two.
Listen,
look here, I want the two to interview me another time. Okay?
But you said you feel so blessed, still getting in the new opportunities. But how do you stay relevant in a space that caters so much for the new face, the new upcomer?
Well, I think it's okay. And what I've taught my girls, the importance of when you meet people, build that relationship, right? So what I do, whenever it is that I'm on a job or going on castings or appointments, right, and I'm meeting potential clients or clients, I always make sure and I ensure that I maintain a relationship where they will never forget me. You know what I'm saying? I always treat people how I want to be treated, and they'll never forget me. And they'll always think back to say, like, you know what? I'll get Stacey. You know what? I want that girl. I want that girl, Stacey McKenzie,
that one.
back. For a campaign or for our job or whatever, right? So I always ensure with my girls as well the importance of never disrespecting anyone, even if they come through in a certain way. Maintain your integrity, yes, but also just be professional, be on point, be joyous. Be fun, right? Don't let them forget
Stacey,
you.
that's a lot, man. Stacey,
right?
you got a list of
don't let them forget you, right? Don't let them forget you, and they will come back around.
2 seconds.
And that's been happening
on social media. 2 seconds.
Oh, so my social media handle is The Real Stacey McKenzie, and the Walk Camp social media is The Walk Camp Jamaica.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just like
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That is it. Guys, thank you for joining us. Please, guys, remember to check on your loved ones and support each other as a community.
Yep, thank you.